Hello everyone, it's Monika. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing this beautiful card I received from another crafter called Monika. She has her YouTube channel called Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I've been watching her tutorials for about a year now, I think. Unless it's a bit longer, you can correct me, Monika. So she made this congratulations card because I recently reached 4,500 subscribers, and that's why she created this card for me. Isn't it beautiful? And such a special card. She made this card with a lot of inking and stamping and distressed edges and beautiful lace, because I love lace. And of course there are some ink pads, ink pots, and I love this banner with the numbers on the top with gold paper. It might be the paper like here, this one. And I just found this card really beautiful. She has YouTube tutorial for this card on her channel, so I'm going to link it below the video. She gave me a few bits and pieces as well, but I think she gave me some ribbons and other stuff. But of course I put them away and I cannot find them. Sorry, Monika. But I'm going to show you those beautiful Rinia foiled papers. A lot of gold papers and different colors. Really beautiful, shiny. And what I found, I never had this kind of product in my stash that is like a foil. You can shape it and it just stays in that shape. So it's beautiful flower making for more 3D projects. And this bigger set, 6 by 12, again in different colors. So I can't wait to use those papers. It's actually not, maybe I cannot call it a paper, it's more like a foil. So I have to think how to use those, but I can always go to Monica's channel and have a look, because she's using a lot of this foil. So that's one thing. And we still got a few hours until my first craft challenge will finish. It's a hashtag PMA craft challenge, and quite a few of you actually joined the challenge. And I watched all the videos, and I think I commented under every single one of them. They are all of them on YouTube under this hashtag, so you can check it out. You can still join. But if someone doesn't have a YouTube channel, then you can actually use this hashtag on Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to check all social media for it. And but I could only see it on YouTube for now. So we started with January, letter J, whatever you think you can use as a letter J. And as maybe you remember, I've made this card with joy and journey. Some people, they use jewelry, jewels, jigsaw puzzles. Actually, that was really nice. Or fancy fold, jolly fold. I think I watched every single video. If not, then I will again go back and check it out. And I wanted to clarify something. Christine, when she showed her card for this challenge, she said that I do have a lot of subscribers, but for some reason she didn't know why I don't have many views. So I was thinking maybe I should say something about it. So I decided that I will say something. I do have lots of subscribers because I've been making a lot of foam flowers. Years ago, when I started my YouTube channel, I was making foamy run flowers like this one, for example. I'm sure definitely there is a tutorial for this one, for the blue one, and maybe for the yellow one. I can't remember. And definitely there is one for the pink one again. This is the same kind of technique. And most of my subscribers, I think 95%, comes from the time when I was actually making flowers. So this is my box, which I've got still quite a lot of flowers. It's a very big box, and all those flowers, for example, those pink poinsettias for Christmas projects, this one, that one, and there are tutorials for those. This definitely for this one as well. So that's why. And after a while I decided to stop, and everything went downhill, but I do not regret it. And I think I will still go back to flower making maybe next month for our challenge. F for flowers, flower making, who knows, I don't know, I'm still thinking. Or maybe feathers, I don't know. But I think I have to, because I feel like I am disappointing people who subscribe to my channel to learn how to make flowers. There are quite a lot of tutorials for flower making on my channel, but I think I should be going back and sharing more tutorials for flower making. Maybe, for example, once a month, one tutorial. Maybe I will create a series of look at this one, different types of flowers, small, bigger. Maybe I will create a series of tutorials for flower making. So I'm still thinking what I should do, how I should maybe evolve a little bit, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to do the challenge every 10th of each month, with a letter starting with that particular month. So I hope you go to Monika's channel and leave her some love, some comments, some likes, or maybe some new subscription, because she has, I think I checked before recording, she had 292 subscribers. So that would be brilliant if she could reach 300 in maybe today, who knows. Just, you know, you are such a kind people to me. Maybe you will find more kindness to another Monika. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully soon. Thank you. Take care.